Are you looking for the best spinning reels? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best spinning reels on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Garcia Revo SX. It looks like you're sharing details about the Garcia Revo SX spinning reel, a high-performance reel known for its durability and smooth operation. Here's a breakdown of what makes this reel stand out. Premium construction. The IMC6 body construction provides strength while keeping the reel lightweight at 9.2 ounces. The machined aluminum spool is braid-ready, and the stainless steel components ensure longevity and resistance to corrosion. Recovery rate. With a 40-inch 102 cm line recovery per turn and a 6.2 to 1 gear ratio, this reel offers a fast retrieve, ideal for many fishing techniques. The AM gearing system ensures smooth and efficient operation. Bearings. The reel comes with 9 bearings in total, 8 stainless steel HPCR bearings plus 1 K-clutch anti-reverse bearing, for a super smooth and efficient experience. Drag system. The carbon front drag provides a maximum drag of 17 pounds, 7.7 kilograms. The hybrid carbon matrix drag system ensures smooth and consistent pressure. Line capacity. It has ample capacity for both monofilament and braid, with a 230-yard capacity for 10 pounds mono and 250-yard capacity for 14 pounds braid. Casting performance. The rocket line management system optimizes casting distance and accuracy, making it perfect for long-range casts. The rocket spool lip design helps with accuracy, and the ergonomic flat EVA knob ensures comfort during long sessions. Overall, the Garcia Revo SX spinning reel is built for both performance and comfort, making it an excellent choice for serious anglers. Do you use this specific reel, or are you considering adding it to your gear? Number 2. PENN Battle Spinning Reel Kit. The PENN Battle 2 spinning inshore reel is a reliable and well-regarded option for anglers seeking durability and smooth performance at a reasonable price. Here's a closer look at what makes this reel stand out. Durable construction. The full metal body, side plate, and rotor ensure strength and precision, even under heavy use or tough fishing conditions. The sleek black-gold smoke color scheme adds to its aesthetic appeal while offering a rugged build that can withstand harsh environments. Smooth, efficient gears. The 6.2 to 1 gear ratio offers an efficient retrieve, recovering 35-inch 89 centimeters of line with every turn, perfect for a variety of fishing styles. Its right/left handle position accommodates both left and right-handed anglers. Bearings. The 6 total bearings, 5 sealed stainless steel ball bearings plus 1 instant anti-reverse bearing, provide smooth operation, helping ensure quick hookups and a trouble-free fishing experience. HT100 front drag system. The carbon fiber drag washers in the HT100 system provide a smooth and consistent drag, with a max drag of 15 pounds, 6.8 kilograms, ideal for inshore fishing. This drag system is built to withstand extended battles with fish while maintaining smooth operation. Line capacity. Mono capacity, 200/8, 165/10, 120/12 yards/lb, and braid capacity, 250/15, 180/20, 130/30 yards/lb provide ample room for different line setups based on your target species. Overall, the PENN Battle 2 offers a great balance of durability, performance, and value. It's a solid choice for anglers looking to tackle inshore fishing without breaking the bank. Are you planning to use this reel for a specific type of fishing or targeting a particular species? Number 3. Daiwa BG Spinning Reel. This looks like a detailed description of a high-performance spinning reel, possibly designed for saltwater fishing. Here's a breakdown of the features you're describing. Key features of the spinning reel. Construction. Black anodized machined aluminum housing, hard bodies. The durable, anodized aluminum body and side cover offer a tough, corrosion-resistant design, making the reel well-suited for harsh fishing environments. Oversized digigear system. The oversized gears provide smooth and efficient performance, designed to handle big fish with ease. Solid screw-in handle, a strong handle that ensures secure attachment and easy handling. Air rotor, a lightweight rotor design that reduces weight without sacrificing strength, resulting in better balance and smoother operation. Dynamic cut aluminum ABS spool, provides high strength and ensures that your line is properly spooled, allowing for smooth casting and retrieval. Line handling and drag. Braided line ready spool. The spool is designed to work well with braided lines, reducing line slip and offering better line control. Waterproof drag system and carbon ATD. The advanced drag system is sealed and waterproof to protect against the elements. The Carbon ATD, Automatic Tournament Drag, offers consistent drag pressure across the entire drag range, preventing sudden surges and providing smoother line control. Max drag, 22 pounds, high max drag capacity makes it suitable for targeting larger fish. Performance and features. Line per handle turn, 47.4 inch, a fast retrieval rate of 47.4 inches per crank makes it ideal for quickly reeling in fish. Manual return bail, 4,500 and larger ensures the bail closes manually for added durability in larger sizes. Bearings, 6 BB plus 1 RB bearings for smooth operation. The extra bearings help improve the reel's fluidity and reduce friction. Gear ratio, 5.6:1, a good mid-range gear ratio for versatility, offering a balance between power and speed for various fishing conditions. Anti-reverse system. Infinite anti-reverse system, 4,000 and smaller prevents backward reel rotation, ensuring quick hook sets. Infinite dual anti-reverse system, 4,500 and larger extra protection for the larger reels, ensuring even more reliability. Line capacity. Monoline, 14/470, 17/380, 20/280, LB test/yards. J-braid, braid capacity 40/480, 50/360, 65/310, LB test/yards. Plenty of capacity for both mono and braided lines, allowing anglers to fish for a wide variety of species. Overall summary. This spinning reel seems built to withstand the toughest conditions while offering high performance, especially for saltwater anglers. The robust drag system, smooth bearings, and braid-ready spool make it a solid option for targeting larger fish in harsh environments. The combination of durability and smoothness of operation is great for those who need a reliable reel for extended fishing trips. Are you considering this reel for a specific fishing style, or are you comparing it to other reels you're looking at? Number 4. Pflueger President Spinning Fishing Reel. The Pflueger President Spinning Reel is known for offering solid performance at an affordable price, making it a popular choice among anglers. Here's a breakdown of the features you mentioned. Key features of the Pflueger President Spinning Reel. Performance meets value. This reel is designed to strike the perfect balance between performance, quality, and value. It's considered a smart choice for anglers looking for a reliable and cost-effective spinning reel. Lightweight construction. Graphite body and rotor, these materials keep the reel lightweight while providing corrosion resistance, making it ideal for both freshwater and saltwater environments. Aluminum handle and soft-touch rubber knob, comfortable for extended fishing sessions, and the handle is designed for both right and left-handed anglers. Smooth operation. Recover 28.1 inch 71 centimeters per crank, a moderate retrieval rate that works well for a variety of fishing applications. Gear ratio of 5.2:1, a good middle ground for versatility, offering a balance of power and speed for different fishing techniques. Slow oscillation gearing, this ensures a tight line lay, which improves casting distance and control, particularly when using lighter lines. Sealed oil felt front drag. Max drag of 12 pounds, provides ample drag force to help tire out fish during the fight, giving you control when reeling them in. The sealed oil felt drag system ensures smooth and consistent drag performance, even under pressure. Ball bearings. 10 ball bearings, these provide a smooth, friction-free experience, making retrieves easier and reducing the wear and tear on the reel. Instant anti-reverse, this feature ensures that the reel won't spin backward when you're setting the hook or fighting a fish. Line capacity. Mono capacity, 230/6, 185/8, 155/10, yards/LB test. The reel is designed for optimal casting distance and accuracy, and these line capacities make it versatile enough for different fishing styles and species. Overall summary. The Pflueger President offers great value for anglers who want a high-performing, durable reel without spending a lot. Its lightweight design, smooth operation, and solid drag system make it ideal for a variety of fishing conditions. Whether you're fishing in freshwater or light saltwater, it's a reliable choice for anglers who need performance on a budget. Number 5. KastKing Sharky 3 Fishing Reel. The KastKing Sharky 3 spinning reel is a high-performance, affordable reel that's designed to handle a wide variety of fishing conditions, from freshwater to saltwater. Here's a detailed breakdown of the features you mentioned. Key features of the KastKing Sharky 3 spinning reel. Next-gen design. High-strength graphite body and rotor, built with a fiber-reinforced graphite construction, this reel is both lightweight and durable, able to handle tough fishing conditions and large fish without compromising on weight. Pure power. Triple disc carbon fiber drag, this drag system offers up to 39.5 pounds 18 kilograms of drag force, ensuring smooth, consistent drag even under heavy pressure. It's designed to withstand long, hard fights with larger fish. Oversized stainless steel main shaft, the reinforced shaft adds strength and durability, ensuring the reel holds up during intense battles. Precision mesh manganese brass pinion gears, these gears provide extra strength and smoothness, contributing to better power transmission and longevity. KISS, KastKing Intrusion Shield System. Water and dirt protection, the KISS system provides a water-resistant design for the spool, body, and rotor, keeping water and dirt out and ensuring the reel performs in all conditions, including saltwater. Super smooth performance. The quiet, silky smooth retrieve is a standout feature, giving you a pleasurable fishing experience. The shark fin braid-ready aluminum spool eliminates the need for backing line when using braid, making it easier to spool up and get started with less hassle. Affordable innovation. 10+1 double-shielded stainless steel ball bearings. These high-quality bearings provide smooth operation and are saltwater rated, ensuring long-lasting performance in all environments. Instant lock anti-reverse. This feature ensures there is no backward motion when you're setting the hook or reeling in a catch. Stainless steel hardware and aluminum handle, built with corrosion-resistant materials, making it suitable for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. Greater line capacity. The Sharky 3 has a larger line capacity than many competing brands, allowing you to spool more line, which is ideal for targeting larger fish. Overall summary. The KastKing Sharky 3 spinning reel offers an excellent combination of power, smoothness, and durability at an affordable price point. With features like its triple-disc carbon fiber drag system, KISS water-resistant protection, and shark fin braid-ready spool, it's a versatile reel that can handle big fish and harsh conditions without breaking the bank. The added 10+1 ball bearings and instant anti-reverse make it a great choice for smooth and efficient retrieves. This reel seems like a solid all-around performer. Do you plan to use it for specific types of fishing, or are you considering it as a versatile option for various species?